In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Webflow clients. Securing clients in the digital space can seem daunting, but with the right strategy and tools, you can build a successful client base. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. First things first, having a professional online presence is crucial. Create a website that showcases your finest Webflow projects. This is your chance to highlight your design and development skills and demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. Make it visually striking, easy to navigate, and reflective of your style. Remember, your website is essentially your digital business card. It needs to leave a lasting impression and encourage visitors to explore your portfolio further. Next, consider creating profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Dribbble. These platforms are excellent places to showcase your work and start bidding on projects that align with your expertise and interests. Make sure your profiles are complete and professional. Upload your best work, write a compelling bio that outlines your skills and experience, and actively seek out relevant projects. Also, take a look at local businesses in your area. Many might have outdated or poorly designed websites, and this presents a fantastic opportunity for you to offer your services. Now, let's talk about engaging with Webflow communities. Participation in forums and online communities can be immensely beneficial. Offer help and advice. Not only does this position you as a knowledgeable expert, but it also helps you build connections. Attend industry events, whether they're online webinars or local meetups, to network with potential clients and other professionals. These environments are ripe for exchanging ideas and could lead to fruitful collaborations. Another key aspect of winning and retaining clients is going above and beyond to meet their needs. Delivering high-quality work should always be your priority. When clients see that you are dedicated and capable of exceeding expectations, they'll be more likely to recommend you to others and possibly return for future projects themselves. This kind of client trust and satisfaction is invaluable. Lastly, take the time to package your services in a way that offers real value and directly addresses specific client needs. Understand what your potential clients are looking for and tailor your offerings to suit those needs. By clearly communicating the unique value you bring, you strengthen your position in a competitive market. And there you have it, some effective strategies to help you secure more Webflow clients. Remember, each step in this process improves your reach and ensures you're presenting yourself in the best possible light. By combining digital presence, networking, high-quality work, and strategic service offerings, you'll be well on your way to building a robust client base. Thanks for tuning into this guide. Take care, and good luck with your Webflow journey.